Hi guys, I'm Danielle, or Danny for short. I'm originally from Guam, born and raised, but my family and I have been living out in Virginia since 2021. Recently, I was invited to celebrate the 79th Guam Liberation with fellow Guamanians and Chamorros out here in Virginia Beach. So I thought it'd be fun to share our experience and to show you how true Guammies get together. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like, and let's get into it. So I was looking in the group page, the event page, and everybody's writing like what they're gonna bring food-wise. So I figured to keep it very simple since it's just gonna be me and my daughter going. So I'm gonna bring a dessert and a small pan of red rice. The dessert I'm gonna make is called Sunset Delight. I actually tried this for the first time when I was in middle school. Come to find out, it's super easy to make. So all it is canned like mangoes, peaches. You can use mandarin oranges too. But I'm just going to use these two. And then you whip together sweetened condensed milk and Cool Whip, and then that just gets layered. Super easy, right? So I'm going to do that first, chill it overnight, and then in the morning I'm going to make the red rice. So it's somewhat as fresh as it can be before we head there. So morning time, and I got the stuff ready to make the red rice. I got my rice, which I'm gonna rinse. I got some chopped onion, bacon, butter, olive oil, salt, garlic powder, and then of course you need the Achiote powder. Thank you, Mom, for always sending me packets of this. And then I'm also gonna add some Goya in there. Perfect. So of course I'm sure everybody's gonna be wearing their like Guam garb and whatnot. So got my Guam seal, gotta represent. And then I got my Guam hat that my mom gave me. And then I also got baby girl in her I Love Guam t-shirt from my mom also. Yeah, you like that shirt from Nana? Mila's repping Guam, little island girl. And then I'm also bringing, I know this might seem kind of funny, but I'm bringing myself a little Tupperware just in case I can't finish everything on my plate and I want to bring it home to eat later. So I'm not trying to like full on balutan, but I just want to, you know, have my leftovers just in case. I've only been to the Red Wing Park once before, and it was definitely the perfect venue to house such a big gathering. Guamanians do what they do best when it comes to throwing a fiesta. It's basically one giant outdoor buffet. and I stayed for about 2 hours since all the activity and excitement seemed to wear her out by a certain point. But we definitely enjoyed ourselves. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please give it a like. Also, check out my channel for all my other videos about Guam, and feel free to subscribe as well so you can catch all the new stuff I post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!